Now, there's no cup of tea here, there's no tea stalls, so I think you have to bring your own flask and your own little picnic. Yeah, so you get an information leaflet just by the notice board as you come into the park, the information board. Just pick up a free leaflet. Tells you all about the National Nature Reserve Park here, which is quite big. And yeah, handy to have, collect, so you can just collect these. Lucy's got a picnic there, haven't you, Lucy? Yo! Lovely. So we're going to walk up that way in a minute, let Lucy have a picnic, and we follow the path that way. Picnic. So, but it's a lovely place, quiet place. It's just like heaven here. Really beautiful. Imagine yourself a nice little house here. Yorkie Lucy's gone exploring, so she just loves it. She looks like a little bunny rabbit amongst this long grass. Baby bunny rabbit. I could just sit here really. This is my type of place. I enjoy relaxing. I will come here again, I think. I wouldn't come during the weekend. I think this would be busy during the weekend, but during the week it's just a bless. So beautiful. We can hear the distance of some dog kennel up there, I think. They're quieting down now. And buzzing of an aeroplane in the distance. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah. Temperatures okay today. But you still need a jacket. It's just got that chilly wind, you know, it's just that breeze. It's just carrying not warm air, it's just carrying very cold air with it. The sun's warming you up, but then you get this cold air effect as well. So I'm glad I bought my jacket. I've unzipped it because I was getting hot from the sun, but then this is how you get these chills and you get ill. Yeah.